Welcome. So, you know how we usually deconstruct some big topic or complex article here? Well, today we're doing something a little different. Our source material isn't some dense report. It's just one word. A single super common word, chest, pulled directly from the Simple English Wiktionary. And that brings us to the big question for today. How much can one word really tell us? I mean, it's just 4 letters, right? But you might be shocked at how much history, structure, and, well, meaning is packed inside.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the word just as it appears on the page. Then, we'll get into how to actually say it. After that, we'll dig into its 2 main meanings, explore all the words that are related to it, and then finally, we'll see how it fits into the bigger picture. Ready? Let's dive in.
Okay, section 1, a word on a page. We're looking at the actual dictionary entry for chest. Simple enough? And right off the bat, we find something really cool. Chest is part of the basic English 850 list. Now, this is a special list of 850 words that are considered totally essential for anyone learning English. So we already know this isn't just some random word. It's one of the absolute building blocks of the language.
All right, let's move on to the next layer. Section 2, how to say chest. We're going from text to sound. So on the Wiktionary page, you'll see these kind of funny symbols. That's the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. It's basically a universal cheat sheet for pronunciation. That first symbol is the ch sound. The next one is the eh sound, like in bed. And then you've got your basic sa and ta. Put it all together, and you get a perfect blueprint for how to say the word. But, you know, a blueprint can be interpreted a little differently. Listen to this. First up, here's the typical American English pronunciation. And now, the British one. Hear that? It's super subtle, mostly in the vowel sound. But that tiny little difference tells a whole story about geography and accents. Okay, we've got the sound down. Now for the really interesting part, the meaning. Section 3, the 2 kinds of chests. Let's break down what this word actually refers to. And this is where it gets a little strange, isn't it? One word is doing 2 completely different jobs. On one hand, it's a box, a container. Like in the sentence, he put his things in the chest. But on the other hand, it's part of your body. How did one word come to mean 2 totally unrelated things? Now, this is where language really starts to play and have some fun. Section 4, a web of related words. Let's see how this one little word branches out and connects to a whole bunch of other ideas. Just look at this list. It's amazing. You can practically sort these into piles. Chest cold and chesty, those clearly come from the body part meaning. Treasure chest, hope chest, those are all about the box. Then you get creative ones like a chest pass in sports, which uses your body to do something. And my favorite, get off one's chest, which uses the body part as a metaphor for a feeling. It's like a whole family tree of meaning growing from just 2 roots. So what's the point of all this? What does this web of words really prove? Well, it shows us that language isn't static. It's alive. We take core ideas, like a box or a body part, and we build on them, creating shortcuts and colorful new ways to talk about our world. Okay, for our last section, let's zoom all the way out. Section 5, one word, many connections. Let's see how chest fits into a bigger, more organized system. And check this out. The Wiktionary page even has this handy little chart. And boom, right there, under the category torso, is our word chest, sitting neatly between shoulders and breasts. This shows us that language isn't just a jumble of words. It can be organized, classified, and put into a logical structure, just like a science. And if you still think this is just a simple little English word, get a load of this number. 59. That is how many different languages this one entry is available in on Wiktionary, from Arabic to Swahili to Japanese. It's a pretty powerful reminder that this concept, this word, is fundamental to people all around the globe. And that brings us right back to the beginning. From a single word on a basic English list, we've unpacked pronunciation, dual meanings, a whole web of related phrases, and its place in a global, systematic view of language. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing, complex worlds are hiding in plain sight right inside your dictionary?